All right, kindergartners, the first page in this lesson is a fun one that you could do with a helper. It's just practicing more and less. So go ahead and do the first page on this with a helper, but I'm going to start with the video today. So here comes the video. Cute little robot.
Here are the numbers 8 and 5. What words could you use to describe the number 8? You could say the number 8 is greater than 5. How does the drawing show that 8 is greater than 5?
We can tell that there are more blue cubes, aren't there? So that means that 8 is greater. Good job, kindergartners.
There are 8 blue squares and there are 5 red squares. How do you know that 8 squares are greater than 5 squares? When you count, 8 comes after 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
So do you see the little number line that they did there? It's kind of like yesterday's assignment too. And we know that when we count, we're adding one more each time. So I could start with this 5 and keep adding cubes and I could get up to 8. But when it's only 5, 8 is definitely more.
Here are the numbers 6 and 9. What words could you use to describe the number 6?
Ooh, 6 would be less than 9.
You could say the number 6 is less than 9. How does the drawing show that 6 is less than 9?
6 comes first,
The
doesn't it?
arrows point to the numbers in the number sequence. How do the numbers with arrows show that 6 is less than 9?
Because 6 comes first and 9 comes after.
The numbers show how you count, and the arrow for 6 is before the arrow for 9.
I'm going to stop it right there for a second because you could also say 6 and we could see how many more 9 is. We could say 6, then 7, 8, 9. Ooh, I would need 3 more to get to 9, wouldn't I? Good job,
So
kindergartnens.
6 is less than 9. What words could you use to describe both numbers here?
Those numbers are equal.
You could say 7 is equal to 7. How does the drawing show that 7 is equal to 7?
It's the same number of stars, isn't it?
Both 10 frames are showing the number 7,
looks like.
and the same spaces are filled.
Now you know how to use models and how to compare numbers.
You're getting good at comparing numbers. Let's go ahead and do some practice together. All right, this one is going to do the arrow marking. Do you see that? And we have a 7 and an 8 here. Which one is greater, the 7 or the 8? The 8 is greater, so you're going to circle it. And the 7 is less because it comes first. As a matter of fact, if I have a 7, I need one more to get to 8. Good job, kindergartners. The second one, we're going to use the little 10 frame chart. So I am going to grab my little pen and I'm going to make it a little bit bigger so I can make a circle quickly. And I'm going to make 6 first. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can you put counters in yours with me? 6. Good job, kindergartners. Let's go ahead and put 4 down here. 1, whoops. 1. Oh, man, we needed that to stop. 2, 3, 4. Other than that giant, huge one, which I could pick up an eraser, and I could erase really quickly. Let's see if I can erase it neatly. Not bad. All right. Now I can look that I have 4 down here and 6 up here. So I know that there are more up here, aren't they? Because 6 is definitely greater than 4. That was supposed to be a circle, and this is a crossing out. Oh my tech is not going along with this video, is it? All right, we'll keep moving along. I think we'll be able to get it together here in a second. All right, so on this one, you're going to do what the directions tell you. The first one asks you to draw a circle around the number that is greater, but you also need to draw pictures. So you can draw little circles if you would like here, and you could draw little circles there. If you want to, you can grab your pencil and just do little tiny dots, color them in and make the dots, make 6 dots and 9 dots. I know that by looking at it, you can tell which one is greater, can't you? You know that the 9 is greater, but you should have more dots down here than you do up here. And making the dots is still good practice. All right, this one, you're going to go ahead and fill in 8, and then you're going to fill in 8. And what are 8 and 8? They're equal. So when you do 8 and 8, you're going to go ahead and circle both of them, okay? 9, 10. Go ahead and draw those arrows down to the correct number and then circle the one that is greater. I know you know it. And the last one asks you to draw pictures again. So this one you can draw dots again, okay? So go ahead and draw your dots, circle the one that is greater. This is getting pretty easy for us because you've been doing this a lot. So you're getting really good at comparing numbers. I'm so proud of you. And then your independent practice after your helper helps you with that first one, which I actually think you can do all by yourself. Otherwise, I would have done it with you. You're going to do the exact same thing here. The only difference is you're going to make things here, circle the greater one. You're going to draw 8 arrows here, circle the greater one. Then this one, you're going to keep counting the numbers that are greater. So if I start with 8, then I would get to 9, 10. And this one, have students write a number that is greater than the number on the left, but less than the number on the right. You have a lot of choices here. You have a 5 and a 9. Can you think of any number in between 5 and 9 when I count? You could even start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You could put in here 6, 7, or 8. And then here's the 9. And if you even wanted to put all of them in there, that's okay with me. If it was me, that's what I would do. I would have had this assignment say 5 and then put a 6, a 7, and an 8 here, and then have 9. So if you want to put all of them, that's good with me too. All right, kindergartners, get your work done for today. You're getting better and better at this. And we have one problem solving day, then our Math 4 test. So I know you're ready for it. Bye.